Hey guys. Come on, come on, come on. Right? Okay, so. Yeah, that's a little wet. So, cleaning wheel cylinders. Okay, so yeah. I mean, they're not majorly bad, but they're leaking, so they've got to be replaced.
Definitely. Near future.
Shoes look good.
Actually,
I'm not seeing any.
since we're talking about it's not that bad right now,
Right.
and you're saying the shoes look good.
Right.
Actually, you really want to do it in the near future, because if that starts leaking more, that's going to get on the
Shoes.
I almost said pads.
I know, I still do it.
Shoes.
Yeah.
And then, so if it does,
Yeah,
guess
your,
what?
Your shoes are
you got to replace
yeah.
everything.
So if we catch it quick enough to do wheel cylinders, we won't have to do pads. Or shoes, that is. Would you stop? Oh. But yeah, I mean, the shoes look good. They look good. I'm not seeing any major issues. So I'll spray this down real good. But yeah, definitely going to recommend wheel cylinders for this side. Let's check the other side. Well, I say this side. If you're going to do one, you might as well
do both sides.
Yep.
Yeah, rule the world.
Burns, hand it up. There we go.
Need some oomph.
Need a hammer. And I'm going to recommend a drum. Where? It's missing a chunk out of the drum.
Oh shit.
Mouth.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're trying to clean our videos up so that people will.
Better find the other.
Now you can see it better. I'm going to recommend a drum. Slide the bar on mine. Slide the bar on my other phone.
It's probably on the rack.